Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Account Passwordless Sign-In with Authenticator. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To set up a Microsoft Account Passwordless Sign-In with the Authenticator app, begin by downloading the Microsoft Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Install the app and open it. Sign into your Microsoft account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the app. Select Add Account from the drop-down menu. Choose Work or School Account or Personal Account based on what you need. You'll see a QR code setup option. Switch to your computer or another device and go to the Microsoft Account Security page. Log into your account and navigate to the Security section. Look for the option to set up passwordless sign-in and click on it. Follow the prompts to set up the Authenticator app as your sign-in method. You will be presented with a QR code on your computer screen. Within the Microsoft Authenticator app, select Scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your computer. Once the code is scanned, your account will be linked to the app. You may need to verify your sign-in by approving a notification sent to your Authenticator app. After successfully verifying, return to your computer. Complete any additional prompts to finalize the passwordless setup. Now you can sign into your Microsoft account using the Authenticator app instead of a password. To test the setup, log out of your Microsoft account and attempt to sign back in. Select the option to use the Authenticator app when prompted. Check your app for a sign-in approval notification. Approve the notification, and you will be signed into your account without entering a password. Your Microsoft account is now successfully set up for passwordless sign-in using the Authenticator app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.